Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up another Nerf type dart shooter. It's Zuru X-Shot Reflex 6. Holds 6 shots, it looks like, 6 darts. Has some cans you can shoot at. I think we'll open this and show you how to use it. Alright, let's see if we can open this and get it going here. Okay. Let's see what we can do here. Opens up right here. There's your cans. There's your darts. Looks like this. Looks like maybe it unscrews. There's one. Okay. Well, there's 3 of them here. Guess we'll have to take them all off, won't we? There's your gun. All right. Looks like they fit in, darts fit in right there. Pull that back and pow, it shoots the dart out. All right. Let's see if we can get these things right here off. Cans. I'm not sure how to do this, but it's always the knife. Let's see how this works now. Get that sucker out of there, can I? See if we can. Any directions with this thing? Tell you how to put the cans together. I guess they don't go together. I guess they just stand up there and you shoot them, huh? All right. Well. If they went together, they go together just like this. Alright. Since there's only 3 halves, looks like we may just stand them up and shoot them like that. Alright. We'll get something set up here and do some shooting at it. Alright, we've got a little setup for a target range here. Let's load our darts here. They slip in right there just like that. And it looks like we're ready to go. Cock it here. And you see it rotates to a new shot. Let's see if we can hit one of those cans. Oh, look at that. Wow. Now watch it. When we cock it, it rotates to a new dart. See there? Wow, that's pretty powerful. Wow, that's a pretty good little gun. I like that. Pretty powerful too. There's your gun. Looks like it made a good little shot too. Just like a Nerf, but it's a different brand by Zuru. So I'm kind of impressed. I kind of liked it. Hey, please like and subscribe and check out our other videos under Nerf playlist. And we will see you next time.